Are you in the market for a new car? Buying a car can be an exciting but overwhelming experience. Before you start shopping, determine your budget and stick to it. Consider your needs and preferences, such as size, fuel efficiency, and features. Research different car models and read reviews to find reliable options. Don't forget to compare prices from different dealerships to get the best deal. Take a test drive to see how the car feels on the road and if it meets your expectations. Check the vehicle history report to ensure it has no red flags, like past accidents or odometer tampering. Bring a trusted mechanic to inspect the car and identify any potential issues. Consider buying a used car to save money, but make sure to inspect it thoroughly. Don't rush into a decision. Take your time to make a well-informed choice. Negotiate the price with the seller and be open to walking away if the deal isn't fair. Consider financing options, like getting a loan from your bank or using the dealer's financing. Read and understand all the paperwork before signing any contracts. Keep in mind the additional costs of car ownership, such as insurance, maintenance, and fuel. Consider the long-term reliability and resale value of the car you are interested in. Think about the primary use of the car, whether it's for commuting, family trips, or off-roading. Check if the car has any safety features, like airbags, ABS, or lane departure warning. Ask the seller about the car's maintenance history and if it has a warranty. Consider the cost of insurance, as premiums can vary depending on the car's make and model. Research the car's depreciation rate to assess its long-term value. Don't let emotions cloud your judgment. Stay focused on your needs and budget. Consider the car's fuel efficiency to save money on gas in the long run. Take advantage of any available discounts or incentives, like cashback offers or promotional rates. Test the car's technology features, such as the infotainment system and connectivity options. Research the car's ownership costs, including maintenance, repairs, and parts. Consider the car's resale value, as some models depreciate faster than others. Make sure to get the car's history report, including service records, accident history, and ownership details. Check the car's warranty coverage and understand what is and isn't covered. Keep in mind the car's size and parking requirements, especially if you live in a city. Consider the car's insurance rates, as some models may be more expensive to insure. Take a thorough look at the car's interior and exterior condition before making a decision. Consider the availability of parts and the cost of repairs for the car you are interested in. Test the car's brakes and handling to ensure it performs well in different driving conditions. Ask for a professional inspection if you are buying a car from a private seller. Make sure to get everything in writing, including the final price, financing terms, and any negotiated agreements. Trust your instincts. If something feels off, it's better to walk away and find another car.